To Adam.
All right, let's talk about the rain that is falling right now. Just outside of Peterborough, you can see the moderate showers. This was that batch of rain that was sitting over the GTA for a couple of hours, causing all of the flooding problems that we did see and the high water into some of those low-lying areas. Doesn't help that the leaves are falling now, and that's just adding to blocking some of the storm drains around the area and piling up some of that water. It all developed around this new center of low pressure that is forming here. So basically, it just fired up enough energy into the atmosphere with that low hanging on, and that is basically what produced the heavy rain. Now, a lot of it was going to get shielded here by the cold front, but we still allowed a bit of that moisture to wrap back around this area of low pressure here, and it just snuck in along the top side, and then as that new low formed, it just grabbed it and sort of pulled it up into the top parts of the atmosphere. We're going to hold on to the possibility of showers through Saturday because of that area of low pressure, and these are just going to be basically connected by this trough, and this one's just going to come and basically fill in right back in behind this one as this low starts to track off toward the east. So we're still dealing with wet weather for the next couple of days, even into Saturday morning. But what we are going to see into the meantime is a few scattered showers that are going to be hanging on as we go through the day tomorrow. Into the early morning, chance for a round of showers. Break through midday and into the early afternoon. Evening showers setting up again. Saturday morning's rain. Could even see a little bit of wet snow through portions of the Nickel Belt and into eastern Ontario early in the day on Saturday. We'll clear things out once we get into Saturday night and right into Sunday morning. One of the big weather stories, though, is what is going on in the tropics. For the folks that are in Bermuda, they have a very strong and powerful storm that is on the way and is going to be making its impact felt as we go through the day tomorrow. And the lasting effects will be going on probably for a couple of days, if not a couple of weeks. This is Hurricane Gonzalo. It's a Category 4 storm right now. Winds gusting close to 270 kilometers per hour, and it's just going to continue to track toward the north, and it is taking pretty much dead aim right at Bermuda. So by Saturday morning, it should have passed the island, and it is going to likely make a direct hit. What it's not going to make a direct hit to is the Avalon, as it is starting to get pushed a little further off toward the east. But the wind and rain will still be impacting areas like St. John's in there through portions of Newfoundland, and then it hits the Gulf Stream, and then it's out of the area. What we're talking about, though, closer to home weather-wise, is going to be some breezy conditions as we go through the next couple of days. On Saturday, winds are gusting as high as 50 kilometers per hour. Saturday is one of those days where it'll be warmer in the morning than what it's going to be into the afternoon. So dress for temperatures late in the day around 9 degrees with 50 kilometer per hour wind gusts. Still some breezy conditions, but we'll find a drier day for Marathon Day here in Toronto. The Waterfront Marathon going on. Probably not going to be setting any personal bests. Winds northwesterly at 20 to 30 kilometers per hour. Showers return Monday into Tuesday. Will dry out as we get into the middle part to the end of next week, and temperatures bounce back just a bit. That's a check on your forecast.